Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Arjun. Today we'll be checking out this new thing. It's called the Arduino Starter Kit. Just a little background story. Arduino is a company from Italy. It's basically sort of a microcontroller, just like our microbit. However, Arduino is just a circuit board with a microcontroller, such as this one and this one. So, let us open this. 3, 2, 1. Okay, this is actually the most welcoming starter kit I've seen. It has the Arduino symbol and welcome. Right off the bat, there's a projects book. So I guess this is the book to just get started with Arduino. Okay guys, so I was kind of confused why there's only a book until I found out that this tab is meant to keep everything. So this is where everything is. Here are the electronic components such as lights, potentiometers, and others. The USB cable is here. A liquid crystal display, which is to display some numbers or words. Right over here is a breadboard and jumper wires. We will come to that later on. Right over here is a DC servo motor. Right here, it's basically some motors. And finally here, the Arduino itself. I've gone through some of the pages of the book, and basically it starts off with what the Arduino is. Then we set up the Arduino, we get the actual application, and then we start doing stuff on the Arduino. And yeah, so let us explore the Arduino itself. So it comes in this nifty little box. This is our Arduino. This looks super cool. I'm surprised that people actually buy this and understand how this works. Now, what I have here is something that we call the Arduino Uno R3. There are other versions of the Arduino, such as Arduino Titan and the Arduino Duo. But right now, for beginners, I recommend Arduino Uno. And even if you think that you'll outgrow one, it's unlikely because you can do so much on this. Right here is a barrel jack. I think we put the jack in here, and then it's powered by a 9-volt battery, or you can just directly power this to your computer. You can also put program through the USB cable. And there's also multiple components on here. Normally you will have to buy these stuff and then solder them yourself, but if you take a look on the back, they've all been pre-soldered for you. Soldered for you, so that you can just immediately do all the stuff. Right here is what we call the male pins. What you can do is we connect these things to a breadboard. Right here are what we call pins. This part is the digital pins. There's ground, 1, 2, 3, all the way to 13. Here are the analog pins and power as well. So there's A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, and power, which is ground, 5 volts, 3.3 volts, a reset button, and a IOREF. I have no idea what that is. But right now, I'm actually quite really surprised that this exists. And you can do so much on this. It's basically a computer shrunk down, except that you can do much things that a normal computer can't. I just missed this part. There's actually this base here in this box, which is underneath everything. This is our base thingy. So what we need to do is remove all the pieces and set them up so that we can do our Arduino projects properly. So let me start. Okay. I managed to remove the last piece. Hooray! I take these pieces and place them in the 3 holes, like so. Like that. How is this an Arduino set anymore? This is more like build your thing. Place all of them in here. Like this. Huh? How did... What? I'm confused. Wait. Okay, what next? Oh, okay. So we take this box. Take this box. We take the... Fun fact, by the way, these breadboards, they have notches in them so that you can connect other breadboards. Okay, so what we do, we carefully peel. Oh, so now it's double-sided tape. Place this on top, like... There we go. So that's basically the base. Now it's easier to make projects. So we will be doing projects, just not today. We'll be doing it in a couple of episodes. So stay tuned if you want to see more. Bye.